A king rests in golden light, power without movement. The jungle bows in silence. Stripes blend into shadows. Each step silent and deadly. The hunter moves unseen. A giant walks the river's edge. Strength flows with calm. The earth feels every step. High above the ground, a quiet mind observes. Wisdom lives here. Power sits in stillness. No need to prove strength. Presence is enough. Darkness hides a predator. Eyes glow with purpose. The jungle holds its breath. Time slows to a whisper. Every move deliberate. Peace in motion. Color explodes across the sky. Wings slice through air. Freedom flies. Perched in sunlight, a symbol of beauty. Still yet alive. A living jewel appears. Feathers glow with magic. Nature's masterpiece. They swing through the canopy. Grace in every motion. The forest flows with them. High above, balance meets calm. Stillness holds power. Bright eyes pierce the green. Small, yet unforgettable. Life shines in detail. Ancient and unstoppable. It moves with quiet dominance. Time fears it. Coiled in silence. Waiting without effort. Patience is power. Still as stone. But danger lives beneath. One move ends it. Colors unfold slowly. Beauty takes control. Nature performs. Gentle steps forward. Peace moves through the forest. Calm survives. Wings dance in sunlight. Color fills the air. Life feels light. Many gather as one. Water brings life together. Peace for now. Tiny eyes glow in darkness. Silence surrounds it. The night watches. A ghost moves through mist. Rare, unseen, perfect. The jungle hides it. A quiet presence stands, hidden from the world. Nature keeps secrets. Soft steps near water. Calm reflects in silence. Peace exists here. Fast and agile. A shadow climbs swiftly. The hunt continues, resting above the ground, tail hanging freely. The forest holds it, armored and gentle, walking without fear, protection in design, strange eyes in darkness, mystery surrounds it. The unknown lives, cold air surrounds beauty, color survives the frost. Life adapts, climbing into safety. Every move matters. The canopy protects, still as time itself, watching without movement, power in patience. A living force walks forward, danger wrapped in silence. Respect is earned. Colors speak loudly. Strength sits with pride. A leader stands, invisible on the surface, blending into the world. Nature hides it well. Bright colors warn loudly. Beauty with danger. Do not touch. Wings cut through light. A powerful flight begins. The sky opens, hanging in silence, waiting for night to rise. Darkness brings life. A shadow walks softly. Moonlight guides the path. The jungle watches, transparent and fragile. Life seen from within. Nature's mystery. Lights dance in darkness. A forest of stars. Magic surrounds.
A flash of blue strikes. Water breaks instantly. Precision wins. Stillness in reflection. Grace stands quietly. Peace fills the water. Wings glide slowly. Air carries its weight. Effortless movement. Below the surface, a hidden world flows. Silent beauty. Slow beneath the water. Time feels endless. Calm surrounds. Joy breaks the silence. Water becomes alive. Life plays freely. Endless falling water. A rhythm never stops. Nature sings. Voices rise at night. A chorus begins softly. The jungle breathes. Still water holds beauty. Nothing rushes here. Peace exists. A smooth glide forward, silent across water, control in motion. Together they drink. Safety in numbers. Unity survives. Care is shared quietly. A bond grows strong. Family matters. Color fills the sky. Voices echo freely. Life celebrates. Rain falls gently. The jungle breathes deeply. Life returns. Mist hides the world. Light slowly breaks through. A new day begins. Wings rise together. A dance of color. Nature celebrates. Darkness takes control. Soft sounds remain. Life continues. Tiny lights glow softly. Magic fills the air. Peace surrounds. Golden light fades away. The day ends slowly. Calm remains. From above, everything connects. Life flows endlessly. A mother leads gently. Every step protects. Love guides. A soft embrace. Warmth in silence. Bond unbreakable. Together they rest. Strength in unity. Family survives. A gentle moment shared. Care flows naturally. Love in the wild. Holding on tightly. Trust in every second. Safety in love. Moving as one. Strength in unity. The journey continues. The sky calls them home. Wings follow the light. Day ends. Light fades slowly. Shadows grow longer. Peace arrives. Stars fill the sky. Silence becomes deep. Calm surrounds all. Lights dance over water. A magical flow. Night breathes softly. Water moves slowly. A rhythm of calm. Relax deeply. Soft voices echo. The jungle whispers. Listen closely. Drops fall gently. Leaves shimmer softly. Peace spreads. Mist returns again. A dreamlike world forms. Silence lives. Life begins again. Colors fill the air. The cycle repeats. A soft song rises. Morning awakens slowly. Peace begins. Time slows completely. Drops fall one by one. Stillness remains. Leaves move gently. Nature breathes softly. Calm surrounds. The jungle opens wide, endless and alive, perfect balance. And once again, the story begins. The jungle lives on.